In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Bitmoji on Snapchat using your camera. That's quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat and hit there at your profile icon. And now click here on Create My Avatar, and there you are able to select your gender. I'll select male, and now I need to look in my camera in that way. My camera just made some pictures of me, and there I may select one of them. I'll select that one and hit on continue, and basically that's it. My avatar is now ready, but there I can edit that avatar, and also I can select their outfit for my avatar, so I can hit edit, and there I can edit skin tone, hair, facial hair, eyes, and a bunch of many other different options. And also I can wear it in some clothes like boots, like hoodie. And I here continue creating my avatar, and when I finish I just hit on save, and that's it. Now my Bitmoji avatar for Snapchat is ready. So guys, that's basically how it works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.